All right. I think we are live. We are live. We are live. We are live. Can you guys hear me clearly? Please let me know if you can hear me clearly. Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me clearly. Let me know if you can hear me clearly. All right. I'm glad you guys can hear me. I can see on the comment section. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. 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 So before we even begin, make sure you like the video. We need at least 500 likes on the video before the end of this session. So before we even begin, make sure you like the video and share to 5 of your contacts. Please, let's do this exercise. Just leave a like on the video and send to 5 of your contacts. You can share it on your WhatsApp story. You can share it on your TikTok. You can share it on your Instagram. Wherever you can share it. I used to always tell you guys, don't be scared to be visible on the internet. Don't be scared to be visible. All right, because no one knows no one knows no silent expert. So don't be shy to document your process. Don't be shy to document your journey. Don't be shy to be visible on the internet, because you might think people care, but no one gives a damn. Everyone is busy with their own life. So leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video and share with at least 5 of your contacts. Please do that so that we can start the session. Leave a like on the video and share with at least 5 of your contacts. Then I'm just going to prepare the. Let me also update. Let me also update my community that we are live. Should get it. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'll get back to you guys. I'll get back to. Sorry. I was just taking care of something on my side. I hope you guys can hear me now. Please leave a like on the video and share with at least 5 of your contacts. I'm just updating our other platforms that we are live. All right. Please leave a like on the video and share with your contacts. Leave a like on the video and share with your contacts. Leave a like on the video and share with your contacts. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about a couple of things, which among those things we're also going to be touching base on gold, XAUUSD. Where the hell is XAUUSD going? All right, we're going to be using our expert. I hear nothing. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Just let me know in the comment section. Let me also do shout out to a couple of traders. Where are you guys joining me from? Just write your country and your flag. Just write your country and your flag. Just write your country and your flag on the comment section. Just write your country and your flag on the comment section. Just write your country and your flag on the comment section. All right. Just drop your country and your flag. Your country and your flag. So we have, let's see, let me do a shout out to a couple of traders. Mercy Guy. Mercy Guy from Cameroon, shout out to you. Young Dollar from Nigeria, shout out to you. Kabalegan Legain from Uganda, shout out to you. Me Forex Nigeria, shout out to you. Exclusive NJXBS South Africa, shout out to you. God will Lord cut something from, I don't know which country is this. Nigeria in the room. Timothy from Ghana. Abdinu from UK. Kenya in the room. Jonathan from Cameroon. Matt from Botswana. Wow. We have a couple. We have people from almost all continents. Philly Mgwini from South Africa. All right. I just wanted to test to confirm you guys could hear me clearly, and I'm glad. I'm glad you guys can hear me clearly. So we're just going to be talking about, number one, we're going to talk about gold. We're also going to talk about NFP, which is coming out on Friday. Although I've already done the analysis on NFP, it's already on my social platform and it stands. All right, the analysis is already on my social platforms and it still stands because nothing has changed. So we're going to talk about NFP, we're going to talk about gold, and then we're going to talk about we're going to do few analysis and then general question and answers. All right. All right. Let me just also Telegram. We are live. Join now. Okay, grab it pound JPY. And just to talk about, as I was just typing on Telegram, most of you guys who are on my Telegram, you must have seen what has happened today. All right, you must have seen what has happened today. You must have seen what has happened today. You must have seen what has happened today in a Telegram community, in a VIP community. So VIP will hit more than 10 TPs today. For you guys who can see, I'm just going to put it on a distance so that you can see. Can you see that? TP hit everywhere. That is the VIP community. So for those of you guys who want to earn, you want to earn while you learn. You can always start with my VIP signals, all right? Custom by my own systems for your benefit and for your success. So you can always start with my VIP signals. Very, very important. Very, very important. The link is on the video description, or you can just join my free Telegram, and there's a pin message there where from the pin message, you can then join the VIP Telegram community. We're not going to finish this live session without you guys seeing at least 3 trade hitting TPs. I can promise you guys, we're not going to finish this live session without at least 3 trades hitting TPs on my VIP community. I can promise you guys that. Okay, where is Instagram? Where is Instagram? Guys, we are live. We are live. We are live. Join us now. Join us now. Everything is set. We are live. Let's make money together. Let's analyze the market together. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we're live. I just need the link. Where is the link? Where is the link for this stream? We are live. Let's make money together. Let's analyze the market together. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where was it? Okay, I'm just gonna take the link from Telegram. We are live. Let's make money together. Let's analyze the market together. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, copy message link. No. We are live. All right. At least our number is increasing. Please leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video. So I'm just going to put our banners again on what we're going to be talking about. So let me just type out our banner. We're going to talk about gold. We're going to talk about XAUUSD, the future of XAUUSD. So we're going to discuss on that. Where is XAUUSD heading? We're going to talk about NFP. We're going to talk about, we're also going to talk about, what was it again? XAUUSD. We're going to talk about NFP and then general question and answers. So that is it. That is it. That is it. That's what we're going to be doing today. XAUUSD, the future, NFP, and general question and answers. All right, general question and answers. So that's what we have on our pipeline for today. So without wasting much time, let's start on gold. Let's start on gold. Let's start on gold. What do you guys think is the future of gold? Before I even give you guys my own insight, what do you guys think is the future of gold? Where is gold heading? Is gold going to be getting to 5,000 ounce before the end of this year? By the end of this year, what is the future of gold? Share your experience, share your research, share your knowledge on the comment section. I want it to be interactive, all right? Let's just write it out. What is the future of XAUUSD by, let's just say by December 2025. By December 2025. All right. What is the future? What is the future of XAUUSD by December 2025? I just need to edit that. My 2025 is wrong, so I just need to quickly edit 2020. By December 2025. So share your experience, share. I can see on the comment section. Wow, let's see what people think. Let's see what people think. Let's see what people think. And if you can also share your experience, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. You can also share why you are saying so. Even if you have some fundamental reasons why you're saying that, that will also be awesome. If you have fundamental reasons for saying gold is going to hit a particular level, also share that with me. I'm also going to be sharing. I have a whole research that I've also written down, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys on the future of gold. On the future of gold. So let's see. Someone say it depends on how the tariff Trump threatened plays out. Okay, so Let's just say Trump increased tariffs again for China and other global countries. How is it going to affect gold? Is it going to be positive for gold or negative for gold? I want someone to explain that. And then 5,000 ounce. Yes, that's a possibility. Goldman Sachs has also predicted that gold can hit 5,000. So it's not a far possibility. It can actually hit 5,000. 5,000 to 6,000. I'm doubting 6,000. I'm doubting 6,000, but I'm very confident gold can hit 5,000 this year. 10,000 is not possible. 10,000 is not possible. 10,000, it means gold has to increase for like 6,000%, surpassing how it has increased for the past 10 years. In 1 year before the end of December, it's not possible. So there's no possibility, technically, fundamentally, that gold can hit 10,000 before the end of this year. It can. The max I'm seeing on my side is 6,000, is 5,000. But let's see what people are saying. Let's see. It would fly up to 4,500. Yes, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible with the global tension. Anytime there's global tension, what happens? People run to safe haven assets. They run to safe haven assets like XAUUSD, and they also run to safe haven currencies like JPY. That's why CAD JPY expected to drop for the longest. USD JPY expected to drop for the longest. Great Britain Pound JPY expected to drop for the longest. All right, because remember, JPY is the secondary currency on that currency pair. So if there are factors telling you that JPY is going to drop or that JPY is going to rise, and then on that currency pair, you expect it to instead drop, since JPY is the quote currency. All right. Then we're also going to talk about Godlove University. Yes, I can see many of you guys are asking on the comment section. Yes, we'll also talk about Godlove University, how you guys can enroll in Godlove University, how you guys can learn from me one-on-one. All right, so Favor also says 4,500. Yes, it's very likely it can hit 4,500. I'll also give you guys some secret tips on how you can use to trade gold with peace of mind. So make sure you stay to the end of this live. We're going to make it as swift as possible and as quick as possible. Share it to your contacts. Please leave a like on the live. Leave a like on it. Leave a like, and share to your contacts. 5,000 to 6,000. Yes, it can get there. It can get there. Wow. I like this. Almost everyone is. I like this. Due to US lockdown, we should expecting a bull run on gold. All right, we should be expecting a bull run on gold. That's not too far from the truth. I'm going to give you guys many points why I think gold is also going to be buying for the longest. I'm going to share all those points with you guys. So for that reason, Big My Transporter 10%. Okay. I'm just getting a notification on my camera that my mic is almost 10%, but it's still going to carry us to the end. So yes, with the lockdown in USA, obviously it's affecting the US dollar. And if there's anything that is affecting the US dollar, what happens? People abandon it, investors abandon it, and they run to safe haven assets like gold, like metals. Okay, let's see. Just here, Mr. Godlove, my respect, boss. Gold outlook is bullish, with some forecasts projecting it could reach 5,000 ounces by 2026 due to safe haven demand and easing rate. Yes. I like this. This summarizes a lot and is actually a point on my note. When I'm going to be sharing my note, you guys will be able to discover that I actually have a point with easing of rate and also global tensions and the lockdown in the US and all the stuff Donald Trump is doing, which is affecting the United States dollar. It's going to cause gold to continue rising. We're expecting gold to hit 5,000 by December or before 2026. All right. So since you already know that, man, remember, there's a big disclaimer. This is for educational purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Those are my ideas. I'm not your financial advisor, please. So those are my own ideas from my own research. So let's just say it plays out according to my own research. How do you make money from that? I'm going to also share my screen and I'll show you guys how you can make money with a small gold without stressing. All right. Okay, I was breaking a little bit, but I'm glad I'm back. Can you guys hear me? Please let me know in the comment section if you guys can hear me clearly. I think I was breaking a little bit, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I can see myself. Can you guys hear me clearly? I was breaking a little bit, but I'm back. Okay. We're still recording. Share online. Someone is asking. Okay. I thought I was lost. But you guys can still hear me, which is nice. I'm about to graduate. When do I get a live account as was promised, or the option has now been phased out? Bay, is it Bay or Bay? Please contact support in Godlove University for assistance related to this. All right, contact support if you're a Godlove University student, and you'll be guided on that. It can reach 5,000 because of crypto crashing. They're running to save heaven. Yeah. Even before the crash of crypto, gold has been rising. Gold has been rising 2 months before now. So it's not only about the crash of crypto. There are other factors. There are other factors that are supporting the bullish trend on gold. Many other factors. Many other factors that are supporting the bullish trend on gold. Someone says 5K max maybe by December. Okay. Breaking up. Yes. That is very inevitable. That's correct. That is correct. It can break up at any time. When that was 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was 4. 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 Someone says Trump is trying so hard to weaken the dollar, which means gold will keep buying. Anytime, one thing you just have to understand is anytime you have a fundamental that is telling you that the United States dollar is going to be weakened, that is giving a sell pressure on the United States dollar, it directly have an opposite effect on gold, because gold is a safe haven asset. It's a safe haven asset. It's a safe haven commodity. All right. So people will be able to run from that, from that dumping dollar to gold. So you just keep looking. You just keep looking for those fundamentals that keep supporting that the United States dollar is going to be weakened. Until when you start seeing, like, okay, just imagine last Thursday we had a crash on gold. Last Thursday we had a crash on gold. I don't know if you guys saw it. We had a crash on gold, and the reason was simple. There was a ceasefire between Israel and Palestine. And since there was a ceasefire, the United States was acting as the broker between that ceasefire. So because of that, the United States dollar started getting some traction that particular day. Because it started getting some traction that particular day, what happened? Investors started dumping their gold, started selling their gold to put more money on the United States dollar. That's why when I'm going to show you guys my screen, last Thursday, I even know the date and what happened in my head. Last Thursday, the market dumped by 1,200 pips on gold. The market dropped by 1,200 pips on gold because of that reason. Because of that reason. All right, please leave a like on the video, leave a like on the video, leave a like on the video. So someone says, please, can you give a discount on Trump is trying so hard? And then another one, someone just mentioned here, the ongoing US-China tariffs negotiation could delay gold's potential rise towards 5,000 mark. However, the overall market sentiment remains strongly in favor of gold. Yes, this is someone who knows economics. This is someone who knows what is happening in the market. And yes, with the current negotiations, and you know, Donald Trump is crazy. He can just come up tomorrow and just Donald Trump, he ruled the country sometimes with emotions. He can just come out, he's angry, and just impose tariffs on countries drastically. That is going to affect the United States dollar. That is going to affect gold. That is going to affect the United States dollar negatively, and it's going to affect gold positively. All right. But however, irrespective of the negotiations, there are other factors that are still telling us, that are still supporting the overall bullishness of gold. All right, that are still supporting the overall bullishness in gold. So this is a very clear explanation. Thank you so much, Stephen. This is a very good explanation. Just one of many factors. Someone says, please, can you give us a discount on Patrex Pro? Yes, because you guys are watching this video today, because you guys are on this live session today, use the coupon code Patrex20 and you get a 20% off on Patrex Pro for 72 hours only. Let me look for that banner. I don't know if I still have the banner somewhere here. Let me look for that banner. So because you are watching me today, because you guys are watching me today, you can get 20% off on Patrex Pro. Oh, actually 30%. It's actually 30%, and it's only available for 200 traders. All right, it's only available for 200 traders. So you can use that discount code, which is passing at the bottom of your screen. I'm sure it's still available. PA, just check if this code is still active. Live 30. Yeah, just check it's live 30. So use live 30 because you are on this live session today. Because you are on this live session today, get 30% off Patrex Pro by using the coupon code LIVE30. All right. So someone says another explanation why I made a mistake. So let's go to another explanation why gold can be able to shoot up to 5,000 before the end of this year. Let's check another explanation. Someone says, boss, please, how can I join mentorship or your VIP? It's very, very simple. Check the link tree or check the video, the links on this video description. I just check the links on the video description and you'll be able to see the link that is going to take you to my Telegram community. On my Telegram community, just check the pin message. You'll be able to see my VIP community and also my mentorship. The link is also on the video description. Any other person contacting you claiming to be me is a scam. Gold will keep going up because of US and China tariffs issues. Okay, not only China and US tariffs issue, because of other fundamentals like interest rate, like the Fed. easing the interest rate, like, you know, tensions, global tensions. Gold is not only relying on USA. No, it's not only relying on the US economy. Global tensions, global instability also affects gold. If there's global tension, what happens? Investors tend to go more to safe haven assets and safe haven currencies. Talking about safe haven assets, we have assets like gold. So with that global tension, you guys can see what is going on. So the more there's global tension, the more there's opportunity in gold, the more it's going to continue buying, and the more we're going to keep making money. That's what would happen if we continue to see tension globally. Do you sell signals? Yes, you can join my VIP signal community. You can join my VIP signal community, link on my free Telegram. So this one says, Cassie says, that crush on gold last week made my heart weak. Yes, it affected many traders. It affected many traders. I know the date offhand. I know the date offhand because I'm actively in the market. Even as we speak, I actively have trades that are up and running. You can see I have trades that are up and running, still active. Okay. So I just confirmed with my PA, and the code live30 is still active. So for 48 hours only and valid for 200 traders only. Go and use that code and you get 30% off on Patrix Pro. Patrix Pro is a Forex board you can use on your private account or on your prop firm account. But you guys have seen testimonials on a Telegram community or on a Discord community for gold, because gold is having its Discord community with 7,300 users. So if you are still doubting Patrix Pro, go and see the Discord community of users, of traders who are currently using 7,300 traders are using the board as we speak. So we have traders who have taken 5,000 to 50,000, 10,000 to 25,000 using only gold, on gold only. You just put it there and, you know, it's doing what it can do. We're going to have another live session where we're just going to talk specifically on gold, or we're going to talk specifically on Patrix Pro. Please, can you give us discount on VIP group, Chief? Not for now, not for now, not for now, not for now. For now, the price is at what it is. All right. So just get access because it might even increase. It might even increase. Is the hedge fund investment opportunity still available? It's on pause as we speak. It's on pause for now. It's on pause for now as we speak. We've had a lot of investors already. So as we speak, the hedge fund is on pause. When next the hedge fund is going to be open, the minimum amount is going to be about, you know, the minimum amount is going to be about $100,000. So if you don't have about $100,000 minimum, you won't be able to invest in my hedge fund. But for now, it's on pause. Because Stephen says, although the Israel-Hamas peace deal appears on side, the Arab League continues to show limited trust in the arrangement and is notably increasing the gold reserves. Yes. Good job to you, brother. Yes. This is Stephen is, you know, very, very informed. That's why I used to tell you guys, the main difference between trading and gambling is you have informed decisions that are supporting whatsoever decision you're taking in the market. You have informed decisions, you are taking informed decisions. Gambling is when you are doing whatsoever you're doing without any informed decision. All right, without any informed decision. But with trading, you already, let's just say you are trading gold, you already have fundamentals that are backing your reason. You already have, you know, fundamentals that are telling you that gold is going to be bullish for maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So you're not more guessing. You're not more a gambler. So Stephen, thank you so much. Live30, yes, Live30, that's a discount code you have to use to be able to get Patrix Pro, valid for 48 hours only and only for 200 traders. So you have to go and use the code now as we speak. Live30, just go to godloveuniversity.com or go to Patrix Pro, and the link is on the video description, and use that coupon code and you get 30% off. So this person said, gold XAU forecast December outlook. Gold remains fundamentally bullish here heading into the year end. Okay. All right. So that's the website for Patrex Pro. It's right there. And the website for Signal Service is also below. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen so that I can show you guys. I can show you guys where we're standing on gold and where we might be going next. So let me just see if this thing can load. If you can support me to be able to share my screen, and then I'll be able to share my screen with you guys. Session disconnected. Let me connect my session again. I'm just loading my gold chart, then I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Look at the Zoom session. I was on TikTok live yesterday, 11 p.m. South African time, and I'm just going to share my screen so that you guys can see what we're discussing live yesterday, and the same thing happened today. Let me just quickly share my screen. Share screen. Your entire screen. Yes. Then I'm also going to hide this one. All right. Can you guys see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. That's 300. 200 is going to be somewhere here. Ooh. Can you see my screen? Is it sharing? No, it's not sharing. The browser can't access your screen. Try capturing a different screen. Guys, let me try again. It's not allowing me to share my screen for some reason. I'm trying to share my screen. Just bear with me. Let me also turn the banner off. Where is the one? What is the future? Okay. I don't know why the software is not picking up my screen, guys. I don't know why the software. Try again, we'll see. I don't know why the software is not picking up my screen. I really wanted to share my screen so that I can show you guys some analysis I have on gold and and also just use as a hypothetical example of a trader who took $1,000 to $100,000 trading gold alone. So entire screen. This side will be able to see content on your screen. Yes. Share. If it doesn't go on, then I'm going to try screen by screen, not just the entire screen. All right, still not going. So let me try application by application. Let me try application by application. Where's trading view? I don't know why my software is not picking out my screen. I'm just trying to your entire screen. Let me cancel and start all over. The browser has blocked your screen. Click the screen icon in your address bar to allow access. Where is it? Where do I allow the access? I think it's this one. Okay, guys, I think we're just going to continue. For some reason, I can't share my screen. I don't know why. For some reason, it keeps rejecting for me to be able to share my screen. Let me turn off some applications. I've turned off almost all my applications. But for some reason, it's still rejecting for me to share my screen. Let me try one more time. And if it doesn't go, and then if it doesn't go, and then we're just going to continue without sharing the screen. Let me try again. Let's go. Share screen. Share screen. Click on settings. I've done all of that. I've done almost everything. It is still not picking my screen. I've done almost everything. Which one is the screen icon in the address bar? Sound, microphone, this. Okay, guys, we're just going to continue. We're going to continue without sharing my screen. So we're going to have another live session tomorrow, and hopefully on that one, we're going to try another platform. All right. We use tech, and tech do disappoint us sometimes. We don't have any option. We use tech, and tech do disappoint us sometimes. So we're going to have another live session tomorrow. And on that live session, we're going to try another platform. I'm currently using StreamYard, and they won't allow me to share my screen for one reason. I've given all the permissions, but it just keeps going around. So I have set up on Go seems to be spiritual attack. Someone says seems to be a spiritual attack. I don't think so. It's not any spiritual attack. It's just tech. It's just tech. Tech is like that. You can't do anything. If I change my browser, it's going to work. But if I'm changing my browser, everything is going to stop. All right. If I'm changing my browser, everything is going to stop. But I was going to show you guys the plan I have on gold, how I plan to hold gold to the end of this year. and how I plan to make $100,000 from a small account, like maybe between $1,000 to $5,000, how I plan to make $100,000 from that particular account. But that notwithstanding, we're still going to be live on TikTok after this. We're going to be live on TikTok after this, and we're still going to talk about it. Tomorrow, we're still going to come back here and we'll talk about it. All right, we'll talk about it tomorrow. And just as I mentioned earlier, we were going to talk a little bit on Godlove University. All right, so for those of you guys who want me to mentor you one-on-one, you already know what to do. Check the link on the video description and you see a link that's going to take you to Godlove University. And on Godlove University, that's where you're going to enroll on my course. That's where you can use my free services. That's where you can get all free tools. You can get Payout Pro and all of that. Someone says, spiritual attack, why my screen is not sharing. May the spirit that holding the screen disappear in Jesus' name. Amen. I'm sure it's just the tech. Don't worry, guys. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to come back tomorrow. Explain, someone says, explain, I'm going to understand you, sir. Yes, you are going to understand me, but when I'm coming here, I don't just come because of one person. I come here with the beginner mindset in mind. All right, I come with beginners in mind, so there are people here who are more visual. They will be able to understand it better if they see me demonstrate it on the chat. So that's what I'm saying. I'm still going to be live on TikTok. Make sure you're following me on TikTok. And tomorrow we're still going to come here and do the same thing. Same time, around the same time tomorrow. Around the same time tomorrow. Maybe 11 a.m. South African time tomorrow. That should almost be like 11 a.m. GMT. What about CPI? I haven't looked into CPI. And if you ask me about NFP, I already did my analysis on NFP and it stands. The data hasn't changed. Nothing has changed. NFP is going to be on Friday and the same analysis stands. So check I even have a long form video here on YouTube explaining NFP. I have short videos on TikTok explaining NFP for this Friday. So make sure you check that video. Make sure you check that video out. Make sure you check that video out. Tomorrow is not an option. Stop the live screen, change the browser, and restart. Don't worry, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. Don't worry, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. Notice, may we not die before tomorrow in Jesus' name. We are good to go tomorrow. We can again to restart, no surrender. Okay, we're going to be here tomorrow. If I buy two-step funding pips, not pro, does it need a consistency rule? With funding pips, yes, with funding pips, if you're asking, this is a general question most of you guys have asked. With funding pips, they have what they call two-step funding pips pro and just two-step funding pips. Two-step funding pips doesn't have a consistency rule, and two-step funding pips pro has a 35% consistency rule. Meaning, if the profit target on phase 1 and phase 2 is $6,000, if I can remember, yes, it's $6,000. You can't make more than 35 of that $6,000 in one day. Let's just say in one day you make $3,000, and the next day you make $3,000. You're going to breach the consistency rule because you made more than 50% of what you needed to pass that challenge in one day. So for you to pass that challenge, you need to respect the 35 consistency rule, which we just said that you shouldn't make more than 35% of what you need to pass that challenge in one day. So in that case, maybe you can just make $2,000 in one day, you stop. The next day you come again, target 2,000, you stop. The next day you come again, target 2,000, you stop. Use 3 days, you'll be able to pass the challenge. And in that case, 2,000 of 6,000 is not up to 35%. So you wouldn't breach the consistency rule. So you see, that's why I just prefer the funding pips without the pro. Because the funding pips without the pro doesn't have the consistency rule. And even though it has a 3-day minimum trading days, with funding pips pro, if you are respecting the consistency rule, you still use at least 3 days to pass that challenge. So together, we're still going to be the same. I'm still going to use my 3 days to pass. You who choose funding pips pro because of one day, one minimum trading day, you will still be by force. You will still use 3 days by force to pass that challenge. I don't know if I'm making sense. What of FundingNext? I have a pause. I'm not currently trading with FundingNext. If you want to know the prop firm I'm trading with right now, it's FundingPips, and you can use the coupon code Godlove. Use the coupon code Godlove. Just my name, Godlove, and you get 20% on your purchase. Use the coupon code with FundingPips. The coupon code is Godlove, Godlove, Godlove. Use that coupon code on FundingPips, and you get 20% off. All right. Someone says, can you please share signal on XAUUSD? I've done that already. Sir, please give us one of your prop firm account. I won't lose it, never. It's Josh. Just participate on the. I currently have a giveaway going. So the last video I posted yesterday on YouTube, there's a giveaway running on that video. So make sure you participate on that giveaway. You might stand a chance to win. You might stand a chance to win. That's what me too. I'm thinking about mentor. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Is it thinking about FundingPips or thinking about tomorrow? So yes. All right. So I couldn't share my screen. There's a lot we wanted to talk about, which we're not going to be able to talk about today. I couldn't share my screen because of the tech, because of the software. I'm using StreamYard, and I don't know why it did that. But we're going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to come back tomorrow. We're going to use another streaming software, and I'm going to share my screen. We're going to be able to do the analysis. Remember, we're talking about swing trading. We're talking about trades we're going to take down and hold for 2-3 months. All right. So you don't need to worry. More money is made in trading waiting than actually trading. More money is made waiting than actually trading. So I'm going to catch you guys live on TikTok in about 1 hour. Make sure you're following me on all my platforms. All right. Make sure you're following me on all my platforms. You follow me on Instagram. I update there on a daily basis. You follow me on TikTok, on X. I think I need to be more active on X. I'm hardly active on X. You're also part of my free Telegram community. Very, very important. The highest traders who enjoy are traders in my free Telegram communities because they get all the updates, they get all the goodies from me. So make sure you're part of my free Telegram. All the links of anything I've mentioned is on this video description. All the links are there. All right. Mentorship, the link is there. Patrex Pro, the link is there. My recommended broker, make sure you use a broker that will be able to pay you if you actually make the money. So my recommended broker is also on the video description. The recommended prop firm as well on the video description. So I'll catch you guys in about an hour on TikTok also. Let's go.